Hey, this is Nathan and Parker's first experience with a deer shining light.
Yay?
Okay, go in the room. Okay, are you ready? Where'd the lights go?
No.
Ah! Ah! What do you want to do? Ah! No, you're too little.
I can't see.
Whoa!
I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Wow!
Ah!
I can see. I can see.
Ah! Where'd Nathan go? Where is he? Ah! I shoot you. Ready?
No.
Poosh poo! Got you! Ah!
Got you!
Ah! I got you! Ah!
I can see! I can see!
Ah! Who wants to do it?
Me!
Okay, here you go. Hold it. Okay, push this button right here. Parker, do it.
Okay.
Ready?
I can see!
Do it.
Me!
Whoa! Okay, that's enough. You guys are gonna blind me. Alright, was that fun? Was that fun? Alright, say bye to the camera.
Bye!